When I was younger, I believed that life was a one-way trip. You had goals in life, and you went out to reach them, getting closer and closer each year. But as I got older, I realized that I'm also moving in the other direction. The clock of life is ticking, and one day we will all be gone. Maturity is understanding this back and forth. Like the seasons of the year, there is a cycle to your life, and every day you move closer and farther, closer and farther. As much as you want to control things, you are never the conductor.